Welcome back, everyone. N.R.T. here. So, there. I got a little outlet thingy so you can put multiple cords on it. What I'm going to do with that is I am going to run multiple extension cords. I mean, not extension cords, but multiple things off of it, and that was left on. Just like that. I can run the dust collector off of it. And I can run the light off of it. Without running more cords I can just run the one over to the blast cabinet, just like that. And now we're going to go over to the blast cabinet and we're going to get it ready because I got some walnut media showing up. And it's supposed to be here Tuesday or tomorrow. 10 pounds. There's 10 pounds of it. I've heard that you only want to put 5 pounds in these blast cabinets, even though they can hold 60 gallons. This 90-gallon one, but less is the better, is from what I've been told. But now you just go like that. Turn off the other light so it looks better. I just go like that. A lot of this crap we're not using, like this. These. Just take all this stuff out. Because I'm not using it. This is a glove that you can go put on. I gotta order some parts for this because Vevor didn't design this that well. I ain't gonna lie. Every video I've seen is where people modify these because they're crap. And yeah, I'd love to get a name brand, but majority of them are just the same, or they're a fortune. I've seen blast cabinets all the way up to 20K. I mean, using the Capri 1/4 ratchet right now, tying down this clamp. I mean, I had to refix this hose clamp because it broke. The weld on it broke. So I had to fix it somewhat. But now I go like this. What type of crap is that? This one just did the same damn thing. Come on. It's jammed into my glove too. But see, look at that. The dang weld came undone. And then it ripped my glove there some too. Look at that, it ripped it. But a little electrical tape or duct tape, that'll be fine. Can't expect much. This is Chinese. Or made in China, that is. Put these over in the part. And those feel masonry. Those feel like they're made out of almost like glass. And I got a weld down. Gonna go over to here. Going to put that right there. And this goes on here like this. Does that just go through there? Yeah, it just will go through there. Okay. So we need to find the hose clamps. Yeah, I believe this is one of them. Okay, found this hose clamp. I'll put it on. Missing a hose clamp. Gotta fix a hose clamp. Can't believe both of them broke. Maybe one. But no, they both. So, if you have any of the vevor sandblast cabinets, you want to be careful with the hose clamps on the thing because the welds broke on both of them. So, it's probably a defective thing. Whoever spot welds them obviously don't know what they're doing. But just when I trying to think how I want this to go. Something like that. That should work. Go. Okay. So now, what I gotta do is I basically gotta take it apart like I did that one and spot weld it. Now you may ask, I have a spot weld? No, I don't. I'm using my 140 Lincoln with some 030 wire flex core, and I'm just tacking it. And that one's I thought it would have broke, but it hasn't. It's holding way better. They probably just used a little tack welder and didn't hold it long enough. But the fact that both of them broke makes me kind of concerned. So be careful, guys. Be careful. And these gloves, the cabinet's made of damn near sheet metal, so gotta be careful there. But it has all types of problems, so bolt's not drilled right, it's missing parts. Hopefully I'll be able to use it because I kind of need it. Yeah, so basically just like that, I take my link and hold that down and basically go spot, spot, spot 3 times real quick. And that should get it done. So I have my welder all put away, so that's kind of sucks. I gotta get it all out. But I'm missing some hose clamps, so I don't know. I'm gonna pause a bit and I'm gonna just go ahead and weld this real quick. You have guys seen me weld before, so it's nothing new, so I won't record it. Okay, guys. So I welded it, melted right through that Chinese crap metal, and so I'm probably just gonna order some hose clamps. Because the ones that came with this unit, I mean, I might be able to do something like that. I'll try to make it work, but I think I'm going to just have to order some decent hose clamps that aren't made in China. Alright. Alright. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to order some dang hose clamps. So go ahead and get a tape measure, measure these hose clamps, and order some decent damn ones. Freaking ridiculous. Can't even make a damn hose clamp. That's why America needs to make products again, people. I don't think Trump's gonna do that good. Okay. 52-inch hose clamp. I need 2 of them. I'll just replace them both. I'm missing some screws and hardware, and yeah. So that's 1/4 Capri ratchet. I highly recommend that Capri. I would highly recommend all the Capri tools. Really, I mean, I haven't had a problem with any of them. They've been awesome. So got the blast gun set up, and probably first thing I'm gonna blast is the stator to the 250. I painted it, and one guy said, "Hey, you probably messed with the grounding process as stated by painting," and that's probably true, so I'm just going to blast and see if that helps. Probably not. Never hurts to do anyway, and then I'm probably going to start blasting metal parts for the 7610, and then, yeah. So, But as far as I can concern, maybe I'll be able to use some wire or something, but I don't think the hose clamps will be here in time when the media gets here, so we might have to delay blasting some. I gotta order some parts for the extension cord wheel. So, yeah. So please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure notifications are turned on. I'll catch you guys on the next one.